Hello, everyone. Michael Chave here with Jason Artley, talking about what we're going to talk about. Wait, guess what, Jason? What are we going to talk about?
I don't know, Michael. What are we going to talk about? How you're always tired on Tuesday mornings?
Yes, that's true because I am on the PST time zone, so I'm on the West Coast. Maybe we should introduce a West Coast series.
That works for me.
Let's do it. So we are going to introduce a West Coast series of the Morning Coffee Review. The Morning Coffee Review is talking about all things Bluebeam related, not just specific to review, but we do talk about review mostly, and we talk about an outline. Now, the outline is just more of a guidance covering what we can fall back onto, but what we really like is hearing things from you in the audience. What else, Jason?
That's right. This series is all about building a community. And we have that topic, and then it's very loose. We go answer questions, we discover things in the software for ourselves, and we really just have this open forum for the community to reach out and join us in this hour as we talk about all things Bluebeam.
And if you're from the West Coast, just tuning into this little preview, my name is Michael Chave. I'm a senior AEC technical specialist here at ATG USA. Primary background is in structural design. I'm a Bluebeam certified instructor, and this is my colleague over here, Jason Artley.
Yeah, I'm also a Bluebeam certified instructor, but my background is more on the civil side. So I do a lot of that stuff, and I think that really makes our morning coffee review work well because I'm bringing the civil side, and Michael over here is talking about everything else.
Yes, exactly. So we look forward to seeing you. Our first time will be when, Jason?
July 14th. This is going to be at 8:30 Pacific time. So for those of you who have joined us before on the Central Time Zone on our normal Tuesday edition, it will just be a couple hours later, and we'll be doing a slightly different topic than our normal Tuesday one. So tune into both.
I agree. And show up 15 minutes early where you can have a little banter, talk to Jason and myself, learn what kind of coffee we like, and any other topic that we come up along the way. And we look forward to seeing you all there.
We'll see you out there on the West Coast on July 14th.
See you there.